Minutes, I'm mentioning item number 4.
Item number 4.
Yeah, on behalf of G. Lolan, standing counsel for the NIT. He couldn't make it today due to health issues, Your Lordship.
Yes, Lordship, I'm just told that this council has been changed, Lordship. It was Lanet Rintu Shokia. Now it has changed to this G. Lolan, Lordship.
We changed. State Standing Council,
G. Lolan,
J. Roy, for
NIT, Your Lordship.
NIT.
Yes, Your Lordship.
NIT is respondent.
Yes, Lordship, and it is this.
Who is the council for the petition?
Lordship, I am for the petitioner. I am.
Yes, you satisfy us on the point of maintainability.
On that ground, this may be had.
This question has been raised time and again.
No, Lordship, I have no problem. Just it is only problem of this NIT council, Lordship.
But you have to satisfy us
Yes, Lordship.
regarding the maintainability. Then we'll proceed further. No point. If we are not satisfied on the point of maintainability.
Lordship.
Are you ready?
Lordship, on that, actually, this was told, I am told this morning that the council that we are not ready. So on that context, Lordship.
Okay, get ready tomorrow.
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
Okay. On the Mr. Zikato,
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Council for the petitioner is present. Mr.
I'm on behalf of standing counsel for the NIT, P. Ronia.
J. Roy,
No, I'm on behalf of G. Lolan, Your Lordship.
P. Rongia.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, Learned Council. Representing Mr. J. Roy as senior counsel has submitted that the state of council for the respondent NIT has been changed and NIT respondent number 2 has been changed and 2 entry has been changed and the state respondents would now be represented by Mr. J. Roy as senior counsel. As Mr. J. Roy has some personal difficulty, he has sought for an adjournment. As the question of maintainability of this PL is an issue. As observed in the previous orders dated 1/7/2024 and 11/9/2024. Come on, we deem it proper to treat the matter. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
Lordship, day after tomorrow.
Day after. Oh, G.
Much obliged.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention one unlisted writ appeal number 18 of 2025. Lordship. Today I have filed IA, Lordship.
What is the urgency? Today or tomorrow?
For tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow.
With IS, Lordship.
Give the mention memo.
Deeply obliged.
I beg to mention item number 7.
7.
I'm on behalf of Living Council T. Tapak. T. Tapak. On behalf of T. Tapak.
Yes.
Your Lordship is out of station. So matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks.
Okay, Mr.
Why
Miss,
Pema?
your name, please.
Why Pema?
Council. Why Pema? Appealing for Mr. David Tapak, Land Council, who is leading her. In this case, order has submitted that Mr. Kamang is out of station on personal ground and has thus sought for listing of the appeal. After 2 weeks, the prayer, as the prayer, who is a public prosecutor? As the prayer is made with a considerable and public, additional public prosecutor. The prayer is allowed, leaves the case over 2 weeks.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, in this case, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner. Lordship, as per the order dated 9/9/2024, I was directed by this honorable court to file rejoinder, which I have already filed.
Yes,
We have already filed the rejoinder. Affidavit in opposition.
affidavit in reply you have filed.
Yes, we have already filed.
All the respondents have filed their petition.
No, sir.
Reading.
No, no, Your Lordship.
You are appealing for,
I'm appearing on behalf of Marto Gato, sir.
for respondent number?
For respondent number 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Due to personal difficulties, sir wasn't able to file affidavit. So, Your Lordship,
Department of Income Tax.
Yeah.
GST.
Your Lordship, I pray to grant time to file affidavit. For
Even
respondent
taking
number 4 and
time, I
5,
think, respondent 4 and 5, they are taking time perhaps earlier also.
sir,
Is it not?
my lord.
4 and 5. Still awaited. How much time you need?
As your government in fit. Instruction, as you.
No instruction
Yeah,
regarding the time to file a affidavit.
sir.
Yes, Mr. Council.
Yes.
For the petition,
3 weeks time, maybe.
okay, Mr.
Titava. Titava.
T. Taba,
Yes.
Learned Council for the petitioner. In both the petitions, you would have
No,
petitioner.
in item
Oh, is
number
the-
1.
Council for the petition in item number 2.
Your Lordship, me. Today I am filing my rejoinder along with the affidavit in reply
Okay.
for item number 2.
Your name,
C.
Ari.
C. Iring.
C. Iri. Yeah, Mr. So Learned Council, T. Taba, Learned Council for the petitioners in 1. And Ms. C. Iri, Learned Council for the petitioner in 2. Are present. Ms. Iri has submitted that the petitioner is going to file its affidavit in reply during the course of the day. You are filing today.
Yes.
Okay. So Mr.
Timeto, sir. Your Lordship.
Learned Council appearing for Mr.
Marto Gato, sir.
Learned Central Government Council. Central Government Council. Deputy Solicitor General of India appearing for respondent number 4 and 5. For respondent number 4 and 5.
Lordship, I am for respondent number 1 and 3, Lordship.
Pray for. And granted. 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the said respondents. Mr.
Ketama, Lordship. On behalf of Tijama, Lordship.
You are for?
Respondent number 1 and 3 in item number 1, Lordship.
And Council for respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
1 and 3, Lordship.
1 and 3.
1 and 3, Lordship.
Is also present. This is the case after 3 weeks. Cases after 3 weeks.
Yeah, Your Lordship. I have filed the dusty service of the dusty service affidavit in regard to respondent number 3, Your Lordship. This-
Respondent number 3.
Yes.
And respondent number 4 has already filed their affidavit, so Lordship, I have only filed regarding the respondent.
Pharmacy Council.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And what about respondent number 4?
File 4 has already filed their affidavit.
Okay. Done. Okay, 4 is fine. Pharmacy. Yes, hard miss.
Pirini,
Then council for the petitioner. Mr.
Mr. K, appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Khato DS, yeah? For respondent number 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
1 and 2.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, who is the counsel for the respondent number 4? Any name appearing in the call list?
it seems Your Lordship, it's
C. NIT.
My apologies, Your Lordship.
Who is filed the respondent number 4? Somebody filed the. Let it name it. Let's see. Affidavit file. Huh? So it is there. Respondent number 4. It's there. 59, page 50. Just dusty. One number 4 affidavit is 59. Yeah, filing was available to do, nobody by boss. Yeah. Name should be effective there. So you order the legal sense without the effective. Okay. This is quite power. This is power. The petition has filed an affidavit stating that it has complied with the order dated 23/1/2025 by serving the notice on the respondent number 3 by way of the state. Now we have gone through the statements and amendments made in the affidavit filed on 8/4/2025. We have also perused Annex A to the said affidavit, wherefrom it is reflected that the notice the notice has been received under signature and seal on 28/3/2025 by the respondent number 3. Full stop. Repeat that the service of notice of the respondent number 3 is complete. Full stop. The respondent number 4 has filed his affidavit in opposition on to 2025. So as the name of the learned counsel for the respondent number 4 is not reflected in the cause list, office to reflect the name of Mr. S.C. Kyle, learned counsel for the respondent number 4 in the respondent signed the cause list. Leave the case after a week in the admission column.
Yes, sir. God bless you.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I have instructions to withdraw the matter. On reconsideration, it seems the writ petition would be more appropriate.
Miss
And Duncan, Mrs.
learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted on instruction that the petitioner wants to withdraw the instant PL in order to avail appropriate remedy.
Yes.
Mr.
N. Rathan,
Counsel, State Counsel.
additional
State
AG, additional AG.
Oh, additional advocate general.
For-
For the respondent number
225 or 226.
226. Has submitted that he has no objection to the prayer made on behalf of the petition. So in view of the above submission made by the Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petition, the Mr. J. stands dismissed on majority. The liberty to avail appropriate remedy.
Oblige.
Obliged.
My lord, in terms of the interim order dated 2/4/25, we have, my lord, filed an affidavit giving an undertaking to abide by the further orders that may be passed in the writ appeal and the writ petition. That IA is 90 of 2025, my lord.
What does the order?
Order was passed on 2/4/25
See.
in the IA 90 of 25, my lord. My lord, a tender process, the finalization was interdicted by this learned single judge. Now, my lord, in the writ petition is not even indicated as to why the writ petitioner is aggrieved. It's a fact that technical bid of the writ petitioner was, my lord, found to be non-responsive.
Okay.
And the appellant before your lordships and another bidder were held to be technically responsive. In the meantime, the financial,
Okay, in the writ petition, you were not made a party.
I was not made a party,
Okay.
despite the fact that in the page 159 of the memo of appeal, which is part of the writ petition, where they have annexed the evaluation sheet of technical bid, where my name clearly is reflected as a responsive bidder. And in matter that is on merits of the case. Now, paragraph 6 of the order dated 2/4/25 of IA 90 of 2025, below, having noticed that no reason has been assigned in the order dated 17/3/25, passed in WPC number so and so, as to why the tender process should not be finalized without leave of the court, and that the court has not recorded its prima facie satisfaction with the entitlement of the petitioner for granting interim relief, this court is inclined to stay the operation of the interim order dated 17/3/25, passed in WPC number so and so. Accordingly, there shall be no bar for the authorities to finalize the tender process without leave of the court. However, this stay is made conditional by providing that finalization of the tender process shall be subject to the outcome of the writ petition. The stay is also conditioned that applicants shall file an undertaking in the form of an affidavit within a week from the date of this order before this court to abide by whatever or direction that may be passed in the connecting appeal, as finalization of the tender process is made subject to the outcome of the writ petition. So, my lord, having regard to paragraph 6, my lord, we have filed that undertaking also. In other words, my lord, finalization has been made subject to the outcome of the writ petition.
Read petition,
Yes.
then why this, before it could
Actually,
abide
my
by
lord,
what?
Actually, my lord, technically, this writ appeal can now be closed.
It appears so.
Allowing the parties to hesitate the matter before the
Yes.
single judge. And nothing remains here, my lord.
In affidavit. What is the
But
undertaking?
subject to what the undertaking, my lord, we have filed on 9th itself. If your lordship should kindly come to para 8 of that undertaking, my lord, an affidavit in compliance of order dated so and so.
So file an undertaking, the honor within which we would issue whatever direction that may pass in the connected with appeal.
The affidavit is date kya hai iska? 9/4, my lord. We filed that affidavit of undertaking.
Chilling.
That is at para 8. That pursuant to the order dated 2/4/25 passed by this honorable division bench, the applicant hereby undertakes that applicant will abide by any direction that this honorable court may pass in a connected writ appeal. Applicant will not be aggrieved if any adverse order that are passed against the applicant, appellant in the connected appeal, even if the work is awarded to the applicant appellant.
Which paragraph?
Paragraph 8, my lord. In terms of that order dated 2/4.
Now, have you filed any pleading application in the?
No, you have all. No, we have not done. We'll have to do that, my lord.
Otherwise,
Yes,
it
yes,
will be passed in your absence.
yes,
The petition will decide it.
right. So in that case, my lord, lordship will keep this matter pending, subject
Yes.
to what they say, my
I
lord.
think you should implead
Yes,
yourself.
in
Then
the
only
minute-
that.
correct, absolutely. We are obliged.
I think that will be
Yes, yes,
proper course of action.
yes,
The petitioner will be able to know that you are
yes,
here to
yes,
interfere.
yes.
Then we can,
Keep this for another
Yes.
one more date, my lord, then it can be closed.
then we can close this with the same observation.
Yes. Same one.
Anything to say?
No. Your Lordship, actually, I didn't read the brief of the case and DSJ is out of station due to some personal difficulties, Your Lordship. Nah? I think it's better to Your Lordship if he comes and present himself on behalf of the case, Your Lordship. Nah? Your Lordship,
I'm not following what you are saying.
actually, Your Lordship, I didn't read the brief of the case. So regarding to that, Your Lordship. Nah?
Okay,
So,
you are appealing for whom?
DSJ, Mr. M. Kato.
No, you are for state
Respondent-
respondent.
Respondent 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
The
Ah,
petitioner.
that's true. You are for a writ petitioner? No, Union of India. It's for Union of India. Whether writ petition has been put to notice?
My lord, yes, we have served notice, my lord.
Huh?
We have filed affidavit also today regarding service.
Service on respondent number 3.
Yes. One and two are the official respondents, my lord.
Yes.
We have done Dusty also, my lord.
Dusty.
Yes, Dusty as well as normal
Okay.
course.
In the main writ appeal.
In the main writ appeal, my lord. And in fact, we have filed, the affidavit is being filed, my lord.
Undertaking is available.
Yes.
Dusty.
No, Dusty affidavit is not before lordship, my lord. It has been filed today.
We can propose in the next week or this
Or
week.
let it be, my lord, after 2 weeks, my lord.
Okay. We filed in the meantime the Dusty affidavit.
Not today itself, it is being filed, my lord.
And you take appropriate steps in the
Yes.
writ petition. In the meantime, we'll not record that regarding impleading application.
Will.
Heard Mr. K. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, is stated by Mr.
A.K. Pandey Miller.
A.K. Pandey, Learned Counsel for the applicant, IIT. That's read appellant. And Mr. M. Kato,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned Deputy Solicitor General
Yes, Your Lordship.
of India, for the respondent 1 and 2, post of Mr. Chaudhary. The senior consultant submitted that apart from the undertaking, no, an undertaking in terms of the direction given in paragraph 6, the order dated 2/4/2025 has already been submitted. Post of, he has further submitted that in terms of the order dated 2/4/2025, comma, the applicant has already taken steps. Nothing there. Regarding steps, there is nothing.
Milord.
Regarding steps,
Regarding steps, Milord, we are filing the affidavit during, already we have given, it is being filed.
okay. Steps has already been taken for service of notice. Upon the opposite party number 3 by way of justice, and a compliance affidavit is going to be filed during the course of the day. Full stop. As there is no representation on behalf of the opposite party number 3 as on date, and the trustee affidavit, the compliance affidavit as regards justice service is going to be filed during the course of the day, as stated on behalf of the applicant, comma, leads the case. Anything?
Let it be on 9th of May, Milord.
9th of May, 9/5/2025.
April.
And the appeal. Interim order is,
Milord, it's already, it's not required to be extended, it's there, Milord.
okay. In view of the order passed in the aisle, leaves the case on Swansea, leaves the appeal on Swansea.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Ubori, who has been appointed as the amicus curiae in this matter.
My guess, okay.
Yes,
For whom?
Ubori,
Rasmanava?
for the petitioner, Your Honor.
Okay, you worry.
No, I'm appearing on behalf of Ubori. Currently, he's out of town, Your Lordship.
Amicus is represented by another,
Currently, he's out of town, Your Lordship, so I request.
out of town,
Yes, for some medical emergency.
medical emergency.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, who is for the appellant?
Lordship, I am for the state lordship. He is from appellant actually.
Yes, madam.
My lord, earlier I was appointed as a legal aid counsel for the
Okay.
appellant. And on 21 January 2025, I was absent. So Uttam Bori was appointed as amicus curiae for the appellant
On which date?
on 21 January 2025.
20 or 10/1. He is not present. It is taken is to appoint amicus to represent the appellant in this case. Okay, in view of your absence on
Yes.
that day,
Yes.
okay. Are you ready to continue?
Otherwise, I am ready for the argument.
But
But
now
Your
respondent
Honor,
number 2 is not
amicus
available.
already appointed.
So you are agreeable to continue as legal aid counsel?
Yes. I can.
So
Yeah.
there is no need, I think there is no substitution perhaps. Is there any substitution?
Lordship, actually, may I, Lordship?
Oh. The order dated when the communicator raised UPA when human emotions of paper book and appeal. Represent the appellant. Oh, already appointed or not? No. Mr. Liu Bori has been. Yes. But now, replacement has been made. Yes, you will do that. Yes, you will. Now you release some. Again, he gets it.
My lord,
Yes, now you Bori is absent,
Lordship, he'll
Right. now Miss Doji is present.
yes, he'll return by Thursday, Lordship, so kindly the matter may be fixed for Thursday.
Lordship, actually today,
You suggest, you to suggest. How to overcome the situation.
my lord, otherwise I'm ready for the argument. If you worry, amicus curiae, Your Honor, once,
Because of the replacement.
yes,
Your order of
My name
appointment
may
has
be
been
is-
wiped out, madam.
yes, my name may be struck off, Your Honor, if,
So-
as a legal aid counsel. You worry has already been appointed as
okay.
amicus curiae.
Okay. And Madam PP,
Lordship, I am El Hage, additional public prosecutor.
so you will continue.
Lordship, no problem. Anyone, Lordship.
But if Ubori is absent on the next date, then we'll revive the name of Doji.
No, Your Lordship, he'll be present by Thursday.
We'll observe so that heard Miss J. Doji, legal aid counsel, and Miss
Bori.
M. Bori, learned counsel, representing MS Mr. U. Bori, learned counsel. Also had Miss
El Hage.
L. Hage, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent state. Those stuff. When this court on 10/1/2025 found that MS Doji learned legal aid counsel who was appointed to represent the appellate absent, directed the registry to appoint an amicus curiae to represent the appellant in the case. First of, from the order sheet, it transpires that on 21/1/2025, the chairman, High Court Legal Services Committee has appointed Mr. U. Bori as the legal aid counsel to appear on behalf of the appellant. Close to. Para. From the in the above backdrop, this court, as the amicus curiae appointed by the court is not expected, was not expected to seek an adjournment or should not be absent on the appointed date of hearing, the court proceeded to appoint. The court observed that another amicus curiae should be appointed. Full stop. It was in that backdrop, a new amicus curiae has been appointed, who is found absent today to represent the appellate. Be that as it may, let the case be, let the appeal be listed after 2 weeks. Full stop. It is observed that in the event the newly appointed amicus curiae is found absent, then the previously appointed amicus curiae would be allowed to represent the appellate. This is the caveat. He will be changed.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, Your Lordship.
29,
Yes, this matter to be listed next week, Your Lordship.
hearing matter. Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Miss, your name please.
P. Pangu, Your Lordship.
Okay. Learned counsel.
No.
Repeat for the, yes,
Yes, I'm for a petitioner, my lord.
you are for a petition.
Yes,
You are for
I'm for the state, Your Lordship.
state. Okay, you are the state council.
Yes, Your Lordship.
my lord, only 1 week time may be given, my lord.
Okay.
Already has given me lot of chances, my lord.
Okay. Mr.
Riba, my lord.
R.
Riba.
Riba,
Yes.
learned counsel for the petition is present. Miss
P. Pangu, Your Lordship.
P.
Pangu, Your Lordship.
Pangwe, learned additional advocate,
No, yes, junior government advocate, Your Lordship.
learned junior government advocate. Ownership protest has. Okay, that's what you do, huh? Okay. Has made appear for adjournment of the case for 1 week. Full stop. Has agreed to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. The prayer made on behalf of the state respondents is allowed. List the case after a week, only 2 weeks by the office.
And Your Lordship, also
Much obliged.
item number 13, Your Lordship.
Item number
13, Your Lordship.
13.
This matter to be listed on this Friday, Your Lordship.
Hey, list this one. Yes. So and so. Who is for the petitioner?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of petitioner.
Okay. Yes, sir.
T. Tukur, Taba Tukur.
Taba Thakur.
Thakur.
Okay, learned counsel for the petition is present on the prayer of Miss so and so, learned junior government. We'll list the case on Friday. Friday?
No problem.
Okay, Your Lordship, Friday.
What is the prayer?
Friday, Your Lordship.
Friday.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lord? Lordship, with the consent of the opposite party, I beg to mention item number 5, Lordship.
5.
Lordship,
You are for the petitioner?
I am for the Lordship, for the private respondent number 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Lordship,
Okay. Mr.
J. Saru.
J. Saro,
Lordship,
learned counsel for the respondent number 4. 3 and 4.
Lordship,
Has made a prayer for adjournment
may be listed after 2 weeks, Lordship.
of the case for 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, I'm here in the petitioner side. Fix that may be given, so since it's a pending from 2022, Your Lordship,
Okay. Mr.
after 2 weeks.
Your name please.
Taba Tukur, Your Lordship.
Okay, Tabar.
Second.
Learned counsel for the petition has expressed urgency in the matter. So, while considering the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of the respondent number 3 and 4. Any state council? Who is the state council?
I'm for the state, Your Lordship.
What is the record? Let us see.
Your Lordship, fixed date may be given that on 2nd May.
Who is the state council?
I'm for the state.
R.
Your
Basar.
Lordship. Yeah, no, it's not present today, Your Lordship.
Yes, state was supposed to produce the records.
So, Lordship.
We have the records or not? It was asked to produce the record.
Yes, Lordship. As per the last occasion, they.
Yes, 15/1/2025.
Lordship.
MS.
Your Lordship.
State Council. Appearing for Miss R. Basar.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Kerala State Council has submitted that she has no instruction as regards the ability of records. Full stop. As agreed to and as sought for and agreed to. Please the case on so and so. The London State Council shall make their endeavor to produce the records on the next set of listing. The interim order past Friday shall continue to.
Bless Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21. So,
21.
yes, Your Lordship, I've taken consent from the other side. I'm appearing on behalf of private respondent number 2.
Private respondent number 2.
2, yes.
Okay. What is your prayer?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Adjournment for one day, 1 week,
1
1
week.
month,
Your Lordship, 1 week.
1
After
week.
point.
Okay,
Yes,
so Mr. T. Tukur, Learned Council Board Respondent number 2 has made a prayer for adjournment of the case for 1 week. So it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Council Board of Petition and other respondents to make the prayer. The prayer is allowed, is the case after a week on the date to the expired office.
Deeply, Your Lordship.
My Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23. This is listed for order.
Yes.
Kindly adjourn this matter. I have taken the consent from the opposite party.
You are for the state?
No, respondent
Respondent number?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5,
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, and 8. Yes. Why
We
you are seeking
need some
adjournment?
time to file reply.
To file
Reply.
reply by the respondent or
Yes.
counter affidavit?
Counter affidavit.
Yes, you are for the petitioner.
Yes.
my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord.
How much time?
3 weeks.
3, okay, my Lord.
Okay.
Respondent number 5, 6, 7, and 8 is yet to file the affidavit in opposition.
He is seeking time.
Yes, and my Lord, there is an interim order and that
It is
may
to be continued.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
my Lord.
Mr.
T. Role.
T. Lore,
Role.
Learned Council for the petitioner is present. Miss
M. Jarang.
Learned Council appearing for respondent number 5, 6, 7, and 8 has prayed for and is granted 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. To stop, place the case after 3 weeks on the date to be expired office. The interim order filed past 5 years shall continue till the next list.
Much obliged.
Yes.
I would like to mention one supplementary hearing after number 28. Here, Your Lordship, the State Council have informed me that, requested me that matter may be listed after 3 weeks because he is not well, some health issue.
Okay.
He will not appear.
You are for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner,
Mr.
A. Bhattacharya.
A. Bhattacharya, Learned Council for the petitioner is present. First, Mr. Bhattacharya has submitted that he has been informed by the Mr.
Why Ridam?
Why?
Why Ridam? Why
Learned State Council that he is indisposed and the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
In view of the cited on behalf of the State Council, let the case be listed after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, may I mention for unlisted writ petitions for today?
Unlisted for today?
Today.
Yes. What is the urgency?
Urgency that eviction notice was issued today, 30 days is expiring. 30 days of the eviction notice, which they had given us time, that is expiring.
Eviction?
Yes.
What you were doing for the last 30 days?
So, this, my view is that the superintendent of police is not an authorized state officer under Arunachal Pradesh Public Premises Act. So there is a separate state officer who can send eviction notice, not by the superintendent. Here, the notice was issued by the superintendent of police, not by the state officer.
Oh, why you were waiting for 30 days then? To check?
No, where vacation was there. So today is the opening day.
Is there anything going on?
No, I'm residing there. My house is there. My resident is there.
Tomorrow? Yes. Item number 7, yes. Be near to the mic.
I beg to mention item number 7 on behalf of Advocate Elva. I'm seeking for an adjournment.
Okay. Your name.
M. Taso.
M. Tasso, Learned Counsel, preparing from Mr. L. Bam. Item number
7.
7. Has been for adjournment of the case for how much?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. For
And-
what reason?
And similarly, Your Lordship, item number
1 minute,
27.
1 minute. Oh. Okay, to file rejoinder of affidavit, we have the petition. Appraisal of laser case after transfer. Yes, next,
Similarly, I beg to mention item number 27.
27. Yes. Same,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so. You are appealing for whom now?
Elbam.
Alabama.
Oh, sorry.
He's not there.
Sorry. Pardon, I beg your pardon, Your Lordship. L. Nochi. Ligam Nochi.
Okay. L. Nochi. Adjournment of case for 3 weeks. Okay. 2020 matter, sir. What is the ground for absence of Mr. Nochi?
He's out of station.
The ground that Mr. Nochi. When accountable petition is out of station and personal. First of, as the prayer is not objected to by the Lena State Council. The appraisal law is the case after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, 9, and 15.
4,
Yes, Your Lordship, 9 and
9.
and 15.
18.
Because on behalf of Mr. T. Tapak, Your Lordship,
Mr.
because he is out of station. So matter may be fixed.
T. Tabak.
T. Tapak.
Okay.
On behalf of Mr. T. Tapak.
You have informed the other sides.
Yes, Your Lordship. So
Okay,
matter
Mr.
may be T. Tabing.
Learned Counsel appearing for Mr. T. Tabak. Learned Counsel Board of Petitioner has made prayer for adjournment on the ground that Mr. Tabak is out of station and personal ground. As the prayer is made with the consent of the Learned Counsel Board of respondents, the prayer is allowed is the case after what, 2 weeks?
Yes, Your Lord.
Okay, 2 weeks. Immediately fixed by the office. Same 9, 9, 18.
15. 1, 5.
1, 5 or 1, 8?
1, 5.
1, 5. Okay. Means 4, 9, and 15.
Yes, Your Lord. Obvious.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17.
17.
17 years, sir.
1, 7.
17, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm on behalf of the leading counsel for the petitioner, S. Koyang. As he is unable to reach, so Your Lordship may kindly adjourn the matter, and this is the matter after 2 weeks.
You have informed the other sides.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Tinana, Your Lordship. Tinana.
T. Naya.
Nana.
Nana.
N-A-N-A.
I
Much
am appearing on behalf of Mr. Subu Koyang. After 2 weeks.
Wait, please, Lordship. I want to mention one unlisted matter.
Constantly give you. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention one unlisted matter. There is urgency in this matter. On last 16 April, last week, Wednesday, the state of government, the Department of Environment and Forest, they have issued one relief order against the petitioner, giving him only 24 hours to vacate the office. So this matter may be taken up today. This urgency.
Okay, if it comes before I mean.
Much obliged.
Yeah, my lord. I would like to mention item number 19. Here I was directed to file affidavit, but I was directed to take justice service upon the respondent number 4 and 5. I have to file my affidavit. We have taken justice, but I have not filed. I may be given 1 week time.
Okay, you want to,
File
you want
affidavit.
1 week time to file the dusty affidavit?
Yes,
Okay, Mr.
B picture.
B.P. Chuck, Land Council for the petitioner has submitted that the affidavit as regards service of notice upon the respondent number
4 and 5.
4 and 5 by way of dusty is going to be filed within a week's time. He has thus paid for listing of the case after a week. So the prayer is allowed, list the case after a week.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, Your Lordship. This item,
Yes.
Your Lordship, we need to file our affidavit, Your Lordship. For that, we may be granted 3 weeks time, Your Lordship.
How much time? 3.
3 weeks here.
Miss
P. Sangeeta.
Learned State Council has submitted that, has paid for, and is granted 3 weeks time to file
Counter
affidavit
affidavit.
in opposition on behalf of the respondent number
2 and 3.
2.
2 and 3. 3.
2 and 3. First of, the prayer is made with the consent of the Learned Council for the petition. As a prayer is made so and so, the prayer is allowed, is the case after 3 weeks for filing of affidavit by the respondent number 2 and 3.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
So in this matter, I have instruction to withdraw from my petitioner.
Okay.
There is something drafting defectives are there.
Mr.
I may be allowed to withdraw the petition.
With liberty.
With the liberty to file.
Mr. Modi.
Udeka.
Udeka.
Yes.
Learned Council for the petitioners has submitted that some inadvertent errors have
Yes.
crept in the petition. So therefore, the petitioners want to withdraw the petition with the liberty to file appraise. Yes, any objection?
No.
Mr.
Yes,
Learned State Council, who is in attendance, has submitted that he has no objection if the prayer is allowed. So in view of the above submission made by Mr. Dekal, Learned Council for the petitioner, as the petition is dismissed on withdrawal, with the liberty, as prayed for.
All right.
Yes, Lordship, may. Lordship, this is a long pending case of for consideration of land allotment.
Land allotment.
Yes, Your Honor. Land allotment.
How many petitioners?
There are 13 petitioners.
13 petitioners.
13 petitioner and the petitioner
How it
number.
is long pending?
Your Honor, before this case was instituted, already 2 cases was filed before this honorable court, Your Honor. Previously, Your Honor. Regarding the same issue. Your Honor, petitioner number 1 is representing other 12 petitioner, Your Honor. Being jointly authorized.
Previous petition, 44, page 44.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is sense of actual way, with the also Ganga market, state colony since.
Initially, Your Honor, this is husband of petitioner number 6.
Okay.
With the read petition number 156 of 21, Your Honor.
This one,
Yes, Your Honor.
page 44.
Yes, page 44, Your Honor. Page 44, Your Honor. This case was disposed with a direction, Your Honor, with a direction to the concerned authority to dispose of the his petition, his representation after a proper verification.
They should dispose of the representation of the petition.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what happened?
Then, Your Honor, the petitioner approached before the concerned authority with the court order. Your Honor.
Okay.
Court order, then the concerned authority has rejected rejected the representation, Your Honor,
Talar
stating.
Soki's representation. Okay.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Disposed of by rejecting the proposal for allotment
Yes, Your
of
Honor.
land to the petitioner.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then what happened?
Then what happened, Your Honor? Your Honor, kindly come to the annexure number 4, Your Honor. While rejecting the representation of the petitioner, Your Honor. Page annexure 4. Yes.
Okay, page 51.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pursuance of so-and-so, directive of so-and-so
Yes, Your Honor.
by the petitioner as per the agenda. District authority has.
Second last para.
Some of applicants whose spots are feasible, different location within the whole geo, but in case of petition. Some clause so-and-so, the agenda, so-and-so, held on, so-and-so, the petitioner probably located within the earmarked area of Dapo.
Yes,
Advanced landing ground.
Yes, Your Honor, and not feasible for allotment of goat land to the private.
Already civil aviation department.
Yes, Your Honor.
Was allotted.
In the year 2007, it was.
Field staff.
Yes.
So employed to the petition.
It was allotted to the Department of Civil Aviation. Your Honor. Now, Your Honor.
So this is regarding Talar Shoki.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, yes.
So it was rejected.
Yeah, it was rejected.
Allotment was
basing on
rejected
that
on the
ground.
ground that Dapo Rijo.
Yes, sir.
Advanced landing ground.
Yes, sir.
That land was allotted.
Yes.
Then
Your Honor, what happened, Your Honor? Then again, Your Honor, the same petition approached before this on the concerned authority to reconsider the land allotment.
land allotment
No,
was rejected
reconsider
only
the
Talar
court's
Shoki.
order. It was a contention that the verification was not done properly, Your Honor. So again.
That will apply only in case of Talar Shoki.
Yes.
Is it not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What about the other petitioners?
Yes, sir. I will come here. For reconsideration of that High Court order, that is still pending, Your Honor. Then, Your Honor, the other petition, yes.
There are how many? How many petitioners?
13 petitioners, Your Honor.
13.
13.
Now that Talar Shoki was the husband of the petition
Petition number 6, sure.
Talar Shoki approached this court by way of a writ petition.
Yes, sir.
That was disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities to consider the representations.
Yes, sir.
The representations were considered and rejected on the ground that the land in respect of which the allotment was sought has already been allotted in favor of Civil Aviation Department for landing ground.
Yes, I'm coming.
Apologio.
Why I have approached this honorable
Right.
court?
Now, this much is clear.
That must.
Then what happened?
Then what happened, Your Honor? The other petition. The other petition, they have also approached before this honorable court.
Okay,
by
right.
the writ petition number 91 of 22, Your Honor.
Page
number annexure 7, page 60. Your Honor.
Page 60.
Yes, sir. While disposing the writ petition 91 of 22, Your Honor.
Okay, page 60.
Yes, sir.
Okay, rejected.
Yes, rejected. Yes.
All out of
With a liberty, Your Honor. With a liberty. With a liberty to approach.
Page 16, Annexure 7.
Page 60. Yes, on annexure 7.
60.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
60 is Annexure 7. One
Yes.
memo dated 5/5/2021.
Good, Your Honor. Oh, they have this one. Page. Oh, annexure 8.
Annexure 8, Your Lordship, sorry. Annexure 8, yeah.
8.
Yes, yes, page 61.
1 minute.
The relevant para is
12 in number, 5 seeking direction to respond to consider application for the also the status
last
of the
paragraph.
impugn order. Okay, their applications were rejected.
Yes.
With the consultant for false within Daporozio airfield area.
Yes.
The producer of the impugn memo.
Why this petition was rejected was after a hearing of the statement made by the learned additional senior advocate. As she has stated that the cancellation process of land allotment given to such person within Daporozio airfield area has been already initiated by the concerned authority. That was his system.
There are two parts to it.
Yes.
It appears.
Yes.
One part is that petitioner's applications for allotment were rejected by the authority.
Yes.
When these persons approached this court, the court also found that no relief can be granted to the petitioners.
Yes.
So far, allotment of land is concerned. Yes. There was some submission from the State Council that there were other allotments.
Yes, sir.
In respect of other persons.
Yes, sir.
And their allotment is going to be cancelled.
Yes.
Right?
But
so far your case is concerned, it is dismissed.
But Your Honor,
see page 65.
Yes, sir.
Or page 64.
Yes.
Second para.
Last para, Your Honor. Last para.
Last para also.
Yes.
It has relation with the second para, page
Yes,
60.
yes, yes.
The writ petition is hereby dismissed, being devoid of merit.
Yes, sir.
That
No,
writ petition was.
Your Honor, if the cancellation petitioner were given liberty to approach the petitioner, if the
The
concerned
other
authority.
person's cancellation is not taken forward.
Yes, Your Honor. It has not
About
been.
your application for allotment, it is dismissed.
Yes.
Please find out. Please come to page 64. Read loudly. Let us read together page 64, second paragraph. In view of the above,
Yes, sir.
this court is of the considered view that neither any direction as sought for by the petitioners in this writ petition can be given to the Deputy Commissioner to favorably consider the cases of the present petitioners for allotment of land as sought for by them in the representation dated 9/3/2021. This is one part.
Yes, sir.
Second part, nor the impugned memo issued by the Deputy Commissioner can be set aside and quashed. And the same is a memo issued by the Deputy Commissioner informing the applicants that the application for allotment of land cannot be considered as the area within which the allotment of land have been sought for falls within Daporozio airfield area. That is at page, I think that 55 is at page 60. So it has reached finality on it.
No.
Yes. In and around that area, there were other land allotments.
Yes, sir.
Now let us read page next to paragraph. Miss Ite.
Yes, sir.
Page 64. Miss Tapo, Mr. Tapo, you read the next paragraph. Page 64.
MS Ettal learned additional senior advocate, on the other hand, by referring to the affidavit in opposition filed, has submitted that the Deputy Commissioner, Upper Subansiri District, has already initiated a process to cancel all those allotments given to the person within the Daporozio area. Yes, sir.
Now let us read page 65.
In that view of the matter, this writ petition is hereby dismissed being devoid of merit. However, with liberty granted to the petitioner to approach this court again by challenging the land allotments given to the persons within the Daporijo airfield area, Daporijo. If the Deputy Commissioner, Daporijo Upper Subansiri District does not cancel the land allotment which have been given to such persons within the Daporijo airfield area as has been stated by MS Ete, learned additional senior government advocate, that the process of cancellation of land allotment given to such persons within the Daporijo airfield area has already been initiated by the state government. Your Honor,
So your application for allotment was already cancelled by, rejected by 5 page 60.
no, Your Honor, we are also challenging you are also challenging the ground for the rejection, Your Honor.
That has already been decided. Page 60.
Yeah, actually, Your Honor, our plot of land is just adjacent to the airfield area. Actually, Your Honor, but their claim is that
Sir, page 60.
yes,
Your application for allotment was rejected.
yes, rejected. Yes,
5/5/2021 by the Deputy Commission.
yes, sir.
Then you preferred the writ petition,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Then this court had observed that this writ petition has no merit
yes,
because the area of land in respect of which you sought allotment
yes, yes.
was already earmarked for Daporgeo airfield area.
That is the district.
Then you pointed out, or maybe the Learned Counsel for the petition, Mr. Piton Tapo,
Yes, sir.
he pointed out that there are other allotments
Yes.
within Daporgeo area.
Yes.
Then the court observed that while dismissing the writ petition, liberty is granted to the petitioner
Yes.
if the state respondents do not cancel the allotments
Yes, that is what happened.
made in respect of the other persons.
Yes. Still, there is still no
Now, here in this
steps
case,
have
what
been
is,
initiated, Your Honor.
what is your prayer?
My prayer is that, Your Honor, actually, Your Honor, the civil aviation, the Daporijo airfield has was proposed as ALG and allotted to civil aviation in the year 2007, year, in the year 2000. Then in the year 2020, Airport Authority of India has rejected the said proposal.
Where is that?
Annexure, Your Honor, 18 and 19, Your Honor.
Page?
Page number. Page number 355, Your Honor. Annexure 18 is the approval order, Your Honor. Allotment order. Type copy is in 356, Your Honor.
For you to the civil aviation department. Okay, then thereafter,
Thereafter, Your Honor, the same was rejected, Your Honor, in the annexure 19, to 357, Your Honor, 357.
okay, let us read.
Yes.
It is not, it is, page, which page? Page 357.
Your lordship,
It is not appearing from that page 357 letter. Any further development?
yes, Your Honor, after it got rejected, Your Honor,
It is not rejected. If we read the contents, 357,
yes, sir.
it is not rejected. See the last line. Further, it is also requested to protect the land of existing airfield free from encroachment and obstacles for maintaining smooth operational standard. It is not rejected. You keep this, but find out more.
Your lordship, 357, Your Honor.
Ah. Last line.
Further it is requested.
Further, it is also requested to protect the land of existing airfield free from encroachment and obstacles for maintaining smooth operational standard.
Yes, Your.
It is not rejected at all. We are keeping this. Is it not that? What is your case?
Your Honor, after this, Your Honor, accordingly, the competent authority.
What are this page 358?
Yes, Your Honor. 358, Your Honor.
The
concerned authority, yes, sir.
Donated by the village of P of cost for the department of
Another location.
establishment of advanced so and so. Land management shall be used for some. Yes, madam. 358.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether this is the alternative site?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
No, my lordship, this is the same land.
Huh?
This
This is Upper Subansiri, Richi village.
Dumpuricho circle.
Dumpurijo circle, under Dumpurijo circle. And back to back all the relevant document of that.
So you mean to say that another area has been identified?
Yes, sir.
For advanced landing ground.
Yes. Yes. Sir.
So, though your earlier applications were rejected,
Yes, sir.
but it needs to be considered afresh or
Yes.
what?
Yes, sir. Because exactly, your.
That is your case.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, your earlier round you lost.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You
That I
lost.
am. Yes, that I am.
That will come as
At
a
least-
res judicata.
At least also, your Honor, at least also.
If it is, yes, if that Diporgio area has been abandoned, Daporigio
Yes.
area is abandoned by the Department of
Yes.
Civil Aviation, only in that case, your case will revive.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
you are dead.
That is the, yeah. Yes. Sir.
Otherwise, you are already dead.
Yes. Sir. At least.
You are already in the grave.
Yes. Yes. Sir.
No read appeal. So, whether another area has been earmarked
Yes. Sir.
and this area has been abandoned.
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
has.
madam, what is the case?
My lordship,
I am trying
notice
to
be
find
issued,
out.
my lordship.
Huh?
Notice be issued. I'll file my affidavit, my lord.
First, you have to understand why notice should be issued.
Yes, my lordship. Because even I'm confused whether this Richie village comes under that place.
Yes.
Richi village is another village.
Another villager, another.
I am recording your statement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And
Richi village is not a separate one, then your case will be dismissed on the next date.
also, Your Honor, in the last photograph, Your Honor,
Heard, Mr.
El Soki, larger.
El
photo-
Soki.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioners. And Miss
K. Wangmu.
K.
Wangmu.
Wangmu,
Yes.
junior government advocate. AP. For all the respondents.
Yes.
Those first. The petitioners, the petitioners, 13 in number, have approached this court by stating that they have a common cause of action Full stop. The petitioners have stated they are in occupation of various parcels of land. At Daporijo.
Yes, Daporijo.
Full stop.
Daporijo Township area.
It's the husband of the petition number 6 had earlier approached this court by WBC number 156 of 2021, seeking allotment of land, allotment of the parcel of land which was under his occupation. First of, the writ petition was disposed of by an order dated 29/10/2021 with a direction to the respondent authorities to consider the representations of the husband of the respondent petition number 6. Full stop. The representations were disposed of by an order dated 30/12/2021 by the respondent number 3 on 30/12/2021. Disposed of and rejected on the ground that the parcel of the petitioners, the said petitioner number 6 plot was located within the earmarked area of Daporijo Advanced Landing Ground. Full stop. The other 12 petitioners had also submitted applications for allotment of different plots of land at Daporijo. Full stop. Their applications were for allotment were rejected by the respondent number 3 by another order dated 5/5/2021. Full stop. When a writ petition was preferred by the other 12 petitioners, when a writ petition WBC number 91 of 2021 was preferred by the other 12 petitioners, the writ petition was dismissed by an order dated 10/8/2022, finding the writ petition to be devoid of any merit. Full stop. Devoid of merit as the plots of lands under occupation of those petitioners were also earmarked, also fall within the Daporijo airfield area, allotted to the Civil Aviation Department. Post. The petitioners have now approached this court on the ground, renewing their prayer for allotment of those plots of land on the ground that the Daporijo airfield area, which was allotted earlier to Department of Civil Aviation, Government of Nagaland, for establishment of advanced landing ground, has been the proposal for so and so has been abandoned and an area measuring 36 hectares at Richi village has been allotted for establishment of advanced landing ground by a notification dated 18/4/2022, issued under the hand of the respondent number yes, sir. Respondent number secretary line 1. Within bracket annexer 20 series. Full stop. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. As MS so-and-so has appeared accepted notice on behalf of all the respondents, issuance of formal notice to the said respondents and dispense with the counsel board of petitioners shall furnish requisite number of extra copies of the petitions along with annexes to Ms. So-and-so within 3 working days from today. The respondents shall file their counter affidavits. Most of the respondents shall also traverse the contention of the petition as to whether traverse the contention of the petition that the area earlier earmarked for the Porijo airfield area has since been abandoned and an area of 36 hectares has been allotted to the Civil Aviation Department for advanced so-and-so, repeat for you. And as otherwise, the case of the petition would be hit by the doctrine of res judicata.
Much obliged.
Yes. Petition. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Miss so-and-so. P. Wangmu, Junior Government Advocate. AP. For all the respondents?
Yes, ma'am.
For all the respondents is in attendance. In view of non-representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call, let the case be listed after we come by the others.
May I please, madam?
Yes.
Well, here proceedings are complete, madam. Fact of the matter is that, madam, the petitioner is, madam, treasury accountant, madam. The next promotional post is, madam, sub-treasury officer, madam. Madam, from the feeder cadre of treasury accountant requires 5 years of regular service in the grade for consideration to next promotional post of sub-treasury officer, madam. And recruitment rules says, madam, of 2014 rules, madam, but there is no education qualification required for bachelor's degree required for promotional post, madam. It is for the direct recruitees, madam, for sub-treasury officers, madam. The graduation is a must, madam, a mandatory requirement.
Yes, madam, we are ready.
Maybe listed for hearing, madam.
May I pray that, madam, a short date may be given, madam, a fixed date may be given for hearing, madam.
No, you are retiring when?
Madam?
There are many other in pipeline.
Madam, I will be
you are-
retiring soon,
What is your
madam.
age? 56.
It was filed in 2022, madam. Madam.
2023.
Madam.
What is the convention, madam? In the usual course?
Or, my lord, may I pray that, my lord, let it be in the admission column itself, my lord, after 2 weeks.
I don't know what is the procedure followed here. That is why I'm asking.
It can be, my lord, disposed in the admission stage also.
Huh?
Tomorrow then, my lord.
He'll be appearing, my lordship.
Okay. Day after tomorrow.
All right.
Please the case on day after tomorrow as for final and cost for the parties.
Here, my lord, I'm challenging the DPC, my lord. My lord, I require some instruction, my lord, because by now, my lord, I have been
Okay.
given promotion to the post of chief engineer, my lord.
Mr. R. Soikia, land conservator petition has sought for a week's time
2 weeks, time.
to obtain further instruction. How much? 1 week?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks time to obtain further instructions in a matter.
Obliged.
Mr.
Yes, sir.
Learned State Council is present and has no objection to sacred. To establish the case after 2 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
In this case, private respondent was supposed to file reply. They have not filed it.
Private respondent, who is represented? Respondent number 5 is represented by whom?
Completely. And they had appeared also. On the last occasion, they sought some time.
Are they present today?
No, nobody is there.
Names are there in the cause list.
Yes.
Names are there, yes.
Yes, their names are. On the last occasion, they appeared.
Fine.
Names are there.
State has filed affidavit.
Yes, they had.
Let the respond number. Okay, then for instance, justice will put it after a week. Let them appear, otherwise then thereafter we'll close the opportunity of filing any pleading.
That can.
Right? That opportunity should be given. Heard, Mr.
DK Dev.
D.K.
Deuri.
Deuri. Learned counsel for the petition, Mr. R.H. Navam,
Now, my lord.
learned additional advocate general for the state respondents.
1 to 4.
For respondent number 1 to 4. Full stop. None has appeared for the respondent number 5 today on call. Though the names of the learned counsel for the respondent number 5 are reflected in the call list. Full stop. No counter affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 5 till date. Full stop. In view of non-representation, on behalf of the respondent number 5 today on call, let the case, for ensure justice, be listed after a week. Full stop. It is observed that in the event no pleading, none appears for the respondent number 5 on the next date of listing, the court it will consider about passing appropriate orders.
Okay.
Mayor. So this is regarding denial of multiplication factor, my lord. My lord, before my brother starts, my lord, the government has filed the affidavit on behalf of Deputy Commissioner. But before filing, my lord, we sought some clarification. The main ground for deduction of the compensation amount, my lord. Initially, my lord, it was 17 lakhs, 17 crore. So
No.
that has been sliced down to 11 crore, my lord. The reason for cutting down the amount, my lord, that was not explained by the Deputy Commissioner. So we sought for clarification, my lord. My lord, that instruction is abetted, my lord. That is very important. My lord, it is in page 89.
Page 79.
89. Multiple factors. we have submitted representation and our representation was disposed of with this speaking order. Page 8-9. A revised estimate, para 5, my lord. So and so. Only with multiple factor, one was prepared in compliance with the verbal order of the Secretary of Management, my lord. And subsequently government so and so dated September 6, 2022.
Only with multiple factors of one was prepared in compliance to public.
Now, my lord, this communication of the second estimate was, my lord, communicated by the Deputy Commissioner to the Director of Land Management, page 90, my lord, on 21st March 2022, my lord. Before coming in force of the notification, my lord, notification came into effect from 6/9/2022, my lord. This is the communication 21 March 2022, my lord. They have relied to the notification which has not come into existence, my lord.
No, which one you are referring to?
My lord, may I please see para
I have
5, my
seen
lord, page 89. Yes, my lord.
89 I have seen.
Yes, my lord. Here they have relied, my lord. And subsequently, government notification number so and so. The second estimate was prepared basing on the second subsequent notification of September 6, 2022, my lord. Now the second estimate actually was, my lord, communicated to the Director of Land Management on 21st March 2022. Before coming in force of this notification, my lord, of 6/9/2022. my lord.
Pursuant to direction issued in a meeting with the Swan vendor, who is the respondent?
The revised estimate was, my lord,
Who is this Gangura, page 89?
page 89, my lord.
The letter is addressed to Gangura. Why?
Yes, my lord.
What
We have
context?
submitted representation, my lord, because we were denied of the multiplication factor, my lord. We were denied 2 crore, my lord, compensation, my lord. So why we have submitted page 81 is our representation, my lord, for payment of remaining compensation amount. May I come from the beginning, my lord? It would be very convenient, my lord.
No, firstly, then the question of maintainability.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
He is merely an offeree. It does not, that is a law well settled, long back.
my lord, the state has a notification, my lord, where the multiplication has been prescribed, my lord.
What is the nature of the award
For
passed by the land acquisition officer? What is the status?
the award has been
Tell
passed.
me. Whether
For-
it is an order which attains finality.
My lord, final,
It is considered to be an offer.
my lord. No, we have been paid compensation, my lord.
Offer is made.
My lord.
It is for you to accept or not to accept.
But as per my lord,
If you do not accept, there are other options.
my lord, we were kept in dark, my lord. We came to know this from only the RTM. my lord.
So you are not ready to accept this.
Yes, my lord.
So what will be the option?
Option, my lord, I have one judgment of our honorable court. my lord.
Come to the come down from Supreme Court.
Reference,
Come down from Supreme Court.
my lord. My
It
lord,
will be better to start
my lord.
from Supreme Court.
But reference court, my lord.
And up to recent one, do you have the Sarda Devi judgment?
My lord, please, peruse section 64, my lord.
Which has been extensively referred by Justice Padiwala in a recent judgment. This is merely an offer. It is for the landowners either to accept or not to accept. If it accepts, it closed. If it is not accepted, then option is available, no repetition.
My lord, page, my lord, section 64, my lord, reference court. Now, reference court, the language says, my lord, this section, my lord, any person interested who has not accepted the award. Now, keeping in dark, my lord, regarding entire land acquisition process and the estimate, my lord, we were paid compensation and we have received it, my lord. We have been paid compensation and we have received it, my lord.
You have received it?
Yes, my lord. By keeping in dark the actual compensation amount which we are entitled, my lord. Page 64, my lord, of section 64, my lord, reference code. Any person interested who has not accepted the award, my lord. This is the embargo, my lord. This is a bar for us to go to the reference court, my lord. Because we have accepted, my lord. But section 63 gives this honorable court power, my lord. to adjudicate.
Come to this, 70, section 77 also.
Payment of compensation or deposit of same in authority. On making an award under section 30, the collector shall tender payment of the compensation award by him to the person interested entitled thereto according to the award, and shall pay it to them by depositing the amount in their bank accounts unless prevented by some one or more of the contingencies mentioned in the subsection 2.
And read also, interpret also subsection 2.
If the person entitled to the compensation shall not consent to receive it. This is the case now. This is our case now.
So
We have been deceived, my lord.
so you are referring to 64.
Yes, my lord. We were deceived, my lord. We were not made known, my lord, regarding our actual entitlement.
So you interpret
Yes,
that
ma'am.
if a person entitled to compensation shall not consent to receive it.
Yes, sir. If there be no person competent to alienate the land, or if there be any dispute as to the title to receive the compensation or as to the apportionment of it, the collector shall deposit the amount of the compensation in the authority to which a reference.
When you were offered,
The award was not. Impune award was 14/2/2000, page 71, my lord. 14/2/2023, my lord.
Yes.
71.
So this is an award.
Yes, my lord.
Passed when?
On the top, my lord, page on 14/2/2023, page 71.
Okay, 14 to 2023.
Yes, ma'am.
And when the amounts were disbursed,
On 15, my lord, 15 February 2000, page 74, my lord.
14 to 2000 and next day.
74, my lord.
So amounts were deposited in your bank account.
Yes, my lord.
Then what did you do thereafter?
Thereafter, I filed an RTI, my lord. Page
RTI.
RTI. Then, in response to my RTI, my lord, they have furnished me information on it. Say page 79, my lord. On 2 August 23 and page 80 on 12 September 2023.
So whether it indicates no consent from your side, that has to be interpreted. Otherwise,
My lord, so my lord, may I, my lord, start from the beginning, my lord?
no, you have to interpret whether it means no consent.
Well, no consent, but it was on deceit, my lord.
Deceived cannot be deceived. This is an award passed.
My lord.
It cannot be said to be deceived. Whatever is there, how he has arrived at the calculation, it is there already.
That's, my lord, for
Yes.
that calculation factor, I will come to your lordship.
Something has been done wrongly.
Yes, my lord.
That is a different thing, but question of deceiving is not.
No, Deputy Commissioner is the guardian of the villagers, innocent villagers, my lord. He has to act according to the law, my lord. And the law says, my
Right.
lord,
But that does not mean deceive.
my lord, the board, 2-member board has prepared an estimate compensation, my lord. Now, in suppression to that, 1-member board was constituted. 1-member board, the new Deputy Commissioner, has again prepared an estimate.
Where is the place of 2-member board, 1-member board in the Act? What kind of statutory authority to exercise?
Statutory.
You have to see. You may take advice of subordinate officials or some board, maybe. But ultimately, he is the ultimate authority.
Yes, ma'am.
So far as award is concerned, nobody is above him.
My lord.
Is there anybody above him in this Act?
No.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
The ultimate authority rests in the Deputy Commissioner.
Yes, ma'am.
He may act on the advice or aid and advice of other officials.
My lord.
But ultimate final authority is
But
His authority, sir.
my lord,
So he cannot be deceived by subordinate officials. Ultimately, it is he who exercises jurisdiction
my lord,
to pass the award.
my lord.
He may accept, he may not accept.
My lord, may please,
Somebody subordinate officials
my lord,
or any board who has no statutory authority
my lord,
to recommend something.
my lord.
Is there any authority here?
No, my lord.
Two-member board, one-member board,
No,
or any other rules?
no, no.
What is the sanctity of that board then?
My lord, my lord.
Sir, I am asking you
Yes,
this
yes,
question.
yes,
Yes, one-member board, two-member board you are referring to.
my lord.
What is the sanctity of that?
My lord,
Because as per the Act, it is the district commissioner or deputy commissioner
yes, my lord,
who is the ultimate authority to pass the award,
my lord.
right?
Yes, my lord,
And that award can be made subject matter of challenge.
my lord.
But other authorities who are not statutory authorities, one member, two member, 10 member, whatever, who has no role in under this act.
My lord, one, yes, my lord, yes. Your lordship
You
is
got
true.
my point.
Your lordship is true, my lord. Yes, my lord. The
So-
two-member board was actually
Whatever
was-
he may be,
the one of the member was the deputy commissioner itself, my lord, in the two-member board, my lord. And subsequently also the one member.
ultimately he is the authority.
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord.
So you have to make his award subject matter of challenge, not on the strength of one member, two member, who
No,
has
no,
no
no, no,
power under the act to recommend anything.
my lord.
Yes, if he has, while passing the order, if the deputy commissioner has made any mistake,
My lord.
that can be made subject matter of challenge. But I am not going to your
My lord, my
submission
lord. Okay, my lord.
that one member, two member.
No, sorry, sorry. My lord, may
Am I
please
wrong?
come to page 20.
Now, if Mr. Navam is with the idea that he wants to obtain information as to why,
No,
I think it could be in your benefit.
my lord. Well, I.
Otherwise, question of consent or no consent will be examined. But if he still comes up with better idea, the learned additional advocate general, it might be already to your detriment, the award is.
My lord.
What can happen?
Yes, my lord.
Either no or yes.
Yes, yes.
If yes, good enough. No, then writ petition will continue.
My lord. My,
Have you got
yes.
my idea?
Yes, yes.
Otherwise, we'll examine whether it is a case of consent or no consent. And whether it will be open for you still to make a reference application. Have you got my
Yes, yes.
point?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Navam is taking instruction. If he says that why this multiplication factor has been changed, he wants to obtain instruction. That is what he said.
My lord.
If he comes up with a positive thing with you, for you, good enough.
My lord, while filing, there is a mistake committed by the my junior, my lord. The observation which I have made, my lord, the overlook and the finalize and file it, my lord. Actually, that clarification
So,
was
Mr.
sought, my lord, from the
Counsel,
deputy commissioner.
In my estimation, you should wait for Mr. Nawam's clarification.
And secondly, your lordship is correctly, my lord, the hit on the point, my lord, that this board committee, my lord, they are just a subordinate to assist the deputy commissioners, my lord. Ultimately, authority is the
Statutory
deputy
power is
commissioner.
exercised by the deputy commissioner only.
Yes. And
But crediting the amount to the beneficiary's bank accounts may not be consent. You explore that idea.
Yes, my lord. Section
You-
37 is there.
Uh-huh.
Because no, no award was communicated to us, my lord.
You
37.
explore on that idea so
Yes,
that you can have all the options before the LARI, right? Otherwise, you cannot get relief going to one man, two man committee.
No, no, obviously, my lord. I will not go on that, my lord.
Let him have the, since you have said about this multiplication factor.
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am. Section 26
Navam
is there.
taking instruction the matter on that aspect.
Yes, ma'am.
if it comes to your benefit, good enough. Otherwise, you argue on that point that
Well-
no, it is no consent.
Yes, Madam.
So it is still open for you
Yes,
to prefer an application
yes,
under section 64.
yes, Madam. Or under section 63, my lord. Section 63, my lord.
Ah. What section 63?
It gives power to this honorable court, my lord.
That is, we'll see, but firstly you say. No, this is civil code.
No, my lord, civil court is but only the high court has been given power. No civil court other than high court, other to so shall have jurisdiction to entertain any dispute relating to land acquisition in respect of whether the collector or the authority is empowered by or under this act, and no injunction shall be granted by any court in use.
No, this is regarding sending if the district commissioner,
Yeah.
after making an application before him by the beneficiary or any person interested, sits over the matter,
Yeah.
board can exercise the power under 226.
Yeah.
These are the matter, but board is not going to calculate the amount for you, sir.
Right. Calculation, my lord.
Calculating authority is
Yes,
either
my lord.
deputy commissioner or the authority under section 64.
My lord. My lord, section 26, my lord. Section 26 of the act.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You can
Multiplication.
argue all this matter before the
Yes,
the
sir.
authority under section 64,
My lord.
not before us. We are not here for to calculate it. But still, Mr. Namam comes up with the idea that what is should be the multiplication factor.
Right.
It comes up with a clarification.
Right.
Then it will be better for you to approach.
My lord.
I think find out crediting the amount by the deputy commissioner into the bank account without the award being communicated or the amount being communicated
Yes, ma'am.
may not be consent.
My lord. Sure.
And Mr.
VP Chairman.
BP Chair, Learned Council for the Petitioners, and Mr. NH Nawam,
For respond number 8 and 9.
Learned Additional Advocate General for the response number
8 and 9.
8 and 9.
Nine.
Mr. Nawam has submitted that he has sought clarification from the response number 8
8, my lord, Deputy Commissioner.
on certain aspects leading to the award. And so he has further submitted that as those instructions are awaited, the case be listed after
After a week, my lord.
after also the prayer made by Mr. Nawam is allowed to list the case in the next week.
My lord. Obliged. Obliged.
You explored that idea.
Yes, sir.
I'll come back after 5 minutes. Yes, any counter affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
So, I think you also we have to file an affidavit for this.
Yes. No affidavit to date. How much time you need?
Your Lordship, 3 weeks may be given, Your Lordship.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. But Mr.
K. Terry, on the behalf of DSG, Mr. M. Kata.
as appearing for the state respondents. All the state respondents has paid for Tuesday to fight the counter affidavit. Praise the Lord, this is the case of the trees. The interim order passed earlier from a foreign civil justice We'll continue to the next data.
Next.
The compensation matter matter. It's a compensation matter matter. Well, a similar matter has been disposed of by the division bench matter. But I could not bring that order of the division bench matter. May I pray that this matter was taken up after 2 weeks matter. Here what happened, my lord, the award was passed, my lord. After passing of the award, my lord, the deputy commissioner again fixed a, my lord, parameters, my lord, to reduce the award, my lord. And they have signed forcefully, my lord, signed the agreement with the landowners, my lord, thereby reducing the amount from 100 to, my lord, 20 rupees, my lord. And the division bench has said that, my lord, after award has been passed, my lord, the deputy commissioner cannot yes, my lord. So, my lord, may I pray that let the matter be listed for 2 weeks, my lord.
Mr. R. Shakila and Council for the petition has sought listing of the case after 2 weeks. With the submission that the case of the petitioners will be covered by a division bench order.
Yes, ma'am.
He has sought time to place the division bench order on the next date of listing. Mr. So, Mr.
Yes.
S. Tapin, senior government advocate. Now, senior government advocate is present. Please the case after 2 weeks. Affidavit is filed.
Yes.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Today on call. Miss K. Wangmu, alternate junior government advocate for the state respondents is in attendance. Land compensation.
Yes.
Land compensation.
Yes.
In view of no representation on behalf of the petitions today on call, let the case be listed after 2 weeks on a date to be by the office.
If here, the judgment has been already complied with.
Complied with.
Already.
Who is the judgment? Who is the judgment otherwise?
Lordship, page 13, Lordship.
Page 1.
13.
13.
Lordship. Relevant is at page 15, Lordship. Total amount is, Lordship, 10 crore something, Lordship. 5 lakhs, 5 crore was already paid, Lordship, earlier. Now balance has been paid.
Amount be released expeditiously. This is half.
Lordship, kindly see the paragraph 5 of the petition, Lordship.
Paragraph 5.
Paragraph 5 of the petition, Lordship. Amended petitions. Paragraph 5
of the petition,
of
contempt
the
petition.
contempt petition, Lordship. The picture will be clear, Lordship.
We'll record this, we'll keep it for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Otherwise, council is present.
He was here only, Your Lordship, for the
Okay,
petition.
we'll take up. After some time, please call him and
Oh,
we'll
Lordship,
close it.
Lordship.
That order is complied with.
Your Lord.
Close this. Kerosene agency. Yes, why it has come for orders?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm both a petitioner, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
Today we have received, Your Honor, Your Lordship, today we have received affidavit from private respondent number 5, 6, and 7. And earlier we have received affidavit from respondent number 4, Your Lordship. And still 1, 2, and 3, they are yet to be filed affidavit.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
State of Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Deputy Commissioner, Extra Assistant Commissioner. Yes, madam.
We need some more time on it.
Okay. You want to file any reply to the?
Yes, Your Lordship.
How much time you need?
Your Lordship, 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are for?
Respondent number 5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7. 4, you said 4 also filed affidavits.
Yes, Your Lordship. Earlier they filed.
Heard Mr.
In Kaku. For the
Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Miss Wang T. Wang Mo, Junior Government Advocate. AP. For the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. And Mr.
Ajit Along, my lord.
Learned Counsel for the respondent number 5, 6, and 7. Poster. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that respondent number 4 and the respondent number 5, 6, and 7 have filed their respective counter affidavits. Also, but the respondent number 1, 2, and 3 have not filed their counter affidavit till date. So he has further submitted that he would need 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4 and the respondent number 5, 6, and 7. Full stop. On the other hand, MS Wangmo, Learned Junior Government Advocate, for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3 has paid for and is granted how much time? 3 weeks. 3 weeks time to obtain necessary instruction and to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. The prayers made by Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. Wangmo, Learned State Counsel, are allowed to raise the case after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
My friend in item number 20 has come.
20. Okay. Yes, complied with.
Yes, no.
Mr.
Timija.
Mr. T. Mijay. And Mr. T. Mijay, Learned Counsel for the petition. And Mr.
Yes, sir.
Learned Senior Government Advocate.
Yeah.
Oh, Learned Counsel. This is contempt. For all the respondents?
No.
Full stop. This contempt petition was preferred, alleging non-compliance of the directions made in an order dated 9/6/2022 passed in a writ petition, WPC number 101 of 2022. Full stop. The writ petition was disposed of with a direction to the respondents, state respondents, to take to release the outstanding amount of rupees 10 crore 24 lakhs 88,680 within an outer limit of 6 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of the said order, full stop. Where at the time of preferring the contempt petition, comma, the petitioner has averred that an amount of rupees 5 crore out of rupees 10 crore 24,88,680 was paid to the petitioner, and an amount of rupees 5 crore 24,88,680 remain to be paid. Full stop. Mr. Learned Senior Government Advocate, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondents, has placed an office letter bearing number dated 25/3/2025 of the Directorate of Food and Civil Supplies, Naharlogun, and has submitted that the remaining amount of rupees 5 crore 24,88,680 has already been released in favor of the petitioner. Post of para Mr. So-and-so Learned Counsel for the petitioner has endorsed the submission of Mr. So-and-so Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and has further submitted that in view of the payment of the entire amount of rupees 10 crore 24,88,680, this contempt petition can be closed. In view of the above submissions made by the Learned Counsel for the parties, that the amount of rupees so-and-so has already been paid, the contempt petition stands closed. A copy of the office letter dated so-and-so is kept, is to be kept as part of the case.
My lordship, we
Yes.
need some more time to file affidavit.
Yes, sir. Mr.
T Tato.
T. Tagum.
Tato.
Learned Counsel for the petition is present. MS. Also learned. Sorry. Junior Government Advocate. Appearing for respondent number
1 and 2,
1 and 2 has paid for and is granted
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to obtain the necessary instructions and to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondents. This is the case accordingly after 2 weeks.
Lordship, there is an interim
The interim order past readers shall continue till the next close.
obliged.
Lucky. Yes.
Mr. Lordship, Lordships, respondents 1, 4, and 3 have filed affidavits.
1 and 4.
1 and 4 and 3.
Separate affidavits.
1 and 4.
By 1 and 4.
1 and 4, then
Another
3.
by 3.
3, yes.
Yes.
Respondent number 2 has not filed. Then 5 and 6 are private respondents who also have not filed. Service is otherwise complete in respect of 5 and 6.
Anybody appearing for 5 and 6?
My lord, I am appearing for respondent number 5, ma'am.
5.
Yes, ma'am.
6, no.
No, ma'am.
Let us see the office notes then. 1 to 4. Yes, earlier Mr. N. Roton, Learned Additional Advocate General appeared for 1 to 4.
Yes.
Is there any necessity to file the counter affidavit by the respondent number 2?
And that's a separate department. Yes.
I'm asking.
Sorry.
We'll be filing, Manoj.
If she says that we are not filing, we'll record that.
We'll be filing, Manoj.
Okay.
It's a sport department.
And what about 5?
My lord, sometime may be given, my lord.
How much time?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
In the month of January, Lordship, they had already.
Umu, you need how much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. But what about 6?
6 has not appeared.
In view
All-
of service is deemed to be complete. Okay. Heard Miss N.
Dangan.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Miss T. Wangmu, Junior Government Advocate, AP for the respondent number 1 to 4. And Mr.
M. Doje, my lord.
Counsel for the respondent number 5. Post of. Though the service of notice upon the respondent number 6 is deemed to be complete, none has appeared for the respondent number 6 till date. Post of. Miss Wangmu, sorry, my junior government advocate has prayed for 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 2. Full stop. Similarly, Mr. Swainson, learned counsel for the PT, respondent number 5 has also prayed for 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 5. Full stop. The prayers made on behalf of the respondent number 2 and the respondent number 5 are allowed to release the case after 2 weeks for filing of the affidavit in opposition, affidavits in opposition.
Obliged.
Any interim order?
No.
MK Enterprise.
May I please, my lord, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 7. So,
7.
yes, I need some 1 week time to take instruction since supply order was issued on 2nd December 2024. So the notice of this court was issued on 16th January. After issues at this stage, supply has might have been already done. So this is supply
You
order.
are the awardee?
Yes, I am the awardee.
No interim order.
Lordship, there was no interim order, but the observation was
Subject to the outcome.
is there, Lordship. Issue was regarding
What is
using of
what is the award? What is the award? Regarding what?
Supply of some materials of Manrega.
Okay.
Manrega
What?
items.
Stones and all, cement or what?
Yeah, item is 21 items, cement, spade, shovels,
Who is the
hammer, nails. This is
NIT?
matter of
NIT.
NIT
Okay, materials.
materials.
NIT is page 28.
28. Serial number 4 or what?
Or item number, yes, serial number.
Serial number 4.
Yes.
What is the order passed earlier? Underground disqualification, ma'am, Ginny. Oh, your tender has been rejected.
My tender has been rejected.
Financial be it.
Finance. They said that I have used white fluid in my BOQ. This is the whole dispute in this matter.
Who is the state respondent?
Yes, ma'am. We have filed our affidavit.
You have filed?
Yes.
They have filed?
They have filed, yes.
What is their stand?
They said that I have used white fluid. Then in that case,
It will decide.
Lordship, Lordship, the original, if we peruse the original documents, then only we'll come to know whether that the white fluid has been used. My client says that I have not
Get
used.
the original. White fluid. Then how can we determine where from this white fluid was, who has purchased white fluid and who has used it?
Yes, it's difficult.
Lordship, pencil was used and eraser was used.
Okay, let him get the original one.
But they might be thinking that the use of the eraser, it seems that white fluid has been used, but my client's instruction is that I have not used the white fluid.
Council for the respondent seven might come up with that idea that the operation is successful, patient is dead. On the next day. Heard Mr.
J. Jini, Lordship.
J. Ginny Lanet.
G. Taran.
Council
For the
for the petitioner.
Lordship.
Mr. B. Picha.
Yes,
Then council for the respondent number
1 to 6,
1 to 6. Your state council?
standing council,
Okay, on standing council,
RD.
rural development. Rural developments.
rural development.
Yes.
Okay, rural development department. For the respondent number 1 to 6. And Mr.
G. Tara.
G. Tara. Learning council for the respondent number 7. Close to. As the bone of contention is in this petition is use of
Correction fluid.
correction fluid in the financial bid of the petitioner. Post of as part clause 16 within bracket Roman small 3 of the terms and conditions of the NIT. Such use of correction truth would entail rejection of the bid. Para. Mr. Swensel and council for the respondent number 7 has sought how much time? 2 weeks time to obtain the necessary instructions as regards the status after the award of work. So Mr. Picha, in view of the dispute raised, Mr. Picha shall make endeavor to obtain the necessary records in original on the next date of listing. Place the case after 2 weeks.
Any fixed date, my lord, fixed date may be given so that I can produce them.
After 2 weeks, give it. Huh? Okay, place the case on 6th of May.
No, the mention was made for item 29, my lord, to come up after 1 week. My lord,
29.
29, my lord.
I don't know, somebody made prayer, yes.
My lord, the state had made, I am for the, I'm also for one of the state parties, that is Power Grid. We are the necessary party in this matter, my lord. My lord, if it can come up on the 5th of May, with the outstation councils.
Who has made the prayer for adjournment? Inform, do you have any local council?
I have informed,
Okay. Find out 29 order, huh? I don't know 29, 5th of May.
5th of May. Hello.
Yes, I said that. Does not come then what? I said clearly that if before it comes, I'll take up. Otherwise, you'll get it listed tomorrow.